Viewers, the top focus at this time comes from the city of Gurugram. Now a deeply disturbing case has come to light. A 25-year-old state-level tennis star, Radhika Yadav, was shot dead. Not by a stranger or an assailant, but by her own father, Deepak Yadav, at their residence in Sushant Lok Phase 2. Now, according to police sources, on that tragic day, Radhika was in the kitchen of her home when her father allegedly fired 5 shots from his licensed .32 bore revolver. It was her mother's birthday, according to reports on that day. 3 bullets struck her in the back and she died instantly on the spot. Now, the incident occurred around noon inside their home in Sector 57. Police were immediately alerted and they reached the crime scene. The weapon used in the shooting has now been recovered and seized. Now, Radhika in the case was a promising tennis star. She had won several state-level competitions, and sources say that Radhika was very fond of making reels on Instagram, and one such reel had also angered her father. He had asked her to delete. But contrary to the earlier reports, now the murder in this case was not about social media or Instagram reels. According to the police, the real motive was much more personal here. Radhika had been running her own tennis academy, but her father reportedly disapproved, not just of her role of leading an enterprise, but also of his own dependence on her income. Now, investigators say that taunts about the accused father living off his daughter's earnings had deeply unsettled him. And the accused father, who's been now taken into custody, has confessed to the crime now. An FIR has been registered in the case. Police say a detailed investigation is still underway. Now my colleague Shalini Bajpai is joining me from Gurugram. Now Shalini, as of now, we are given to understand that the father, who is in custody, has confessed to the crime. So what are you picking up from your sources? What has the father said so far?
बिल्कुल, सबसे पहले तो मैं आपको यहाँ पर तस्वीरें दिखाऊंगी एकेडमी की, जिस राधिका की एकेडमी की तस्वीरें, जहाँ पर वो यहाँ प्लेयर्स को जो है वो टेनिस के गुर सिखाती थी। वो एकेडमी यहीं इसी एकेडमी की वजह से बताया जा रहा है कि उसके जो फादर हैं, जैसा कि उन्होंने पुलिस को कबूल किया है, पुलिस के सामने बोला है कि इस एकेडमी से जो अर्निंग होती थी और लोग उसको लेकर ताने मारते थे कि आप बेटी का जो है कमाई खा रहे हैं, इस तरह की बातें जो हैं वो लोगों के तानों की वजह से वो परेशान थे और उन्होंने एकेडमी बंद करने के लिए उसको कई बार बोला, लेकिन राधिका ने एकेडमी बंद नहीं की, इसलिए उन्होंने उसको गोली मारकर उसकी हत्या कर दी। तो ये एक जो उन्होंने पुलिस के सामने कबूला है, एक तो ये मामला सामने आता है। दूसरा ये कि एक रील भी वायरल हो रही है, एक वीडियो इंस्टाग्राम पर चल रहा है कि जिसमें राधिका जो है वो एक्ट करते हुए दिख रही है, एक में राधिका खुद गाना गा रही है, वो भी दिख रही है। तो इस तरह की चीज़ें भी सामने आ रही हैं कि उसकी वजह से भी उन्होंने हत्या की। तो क्या सही वजह है उसको अभी बता पाना बहुत मुश्किल है। हालांकि सबसे ज़्यादा दर्दनाक बात सोचिए उस वक्त क्या होगी जब एक बेटी कल 10:30 बजे के आसपास एक बेटी जो है वो अपनी माँ के बर्थडे पर खाना बना रही थी किचन में। उस वक्त उसके फादर आते हैं और पीछे से उसको गोली मार देते हैं। सोचिए कि ये कितनी दर्दनाक घटना है कि जिस तरह से वो पीछे से आकर उसको गोली मारते हैं, तो उस वक्त वो अपनी माँ के लिए प्यार से कुछ बना रही होती है। तो ऐसी घटना पर तमाम सवाल खड़े हो रहे हैं कि आखिर वो क्या वजह थी जिसकी वजह से इतनी बुरी तरह से एक पिता ने अपनी बेटी को गोली मारी, वो भी पीछे से आकर गोली मारी, जिस वक्त उसको अंदेशा भी नहीं था कि कोई आकर मुझे मार सकता है। तो उस वक्त वो किचन में आते हैं और उसको गोली मार देते हैं। तो ये इसके क्या सही कारण है ये अभी बता पाना बहुत मुश्किल है। कुलदीप यादव जो है उसके चाचा, उनकी तरफ से FIR दर्ज हुई है। फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे राधिका और उसकी मदर और उसके फादर उस वक्त थे जिस वक्त उसको गोली लगी, और उनका जो भाई है पीयूष वो उस वक्त घर पर नहीं था। ये बात FIR में लिखी गई है कि उस वक्त तो वो घर से बाहर गया हुआ था। तो उस वक्त सिर्फ नीचे वाले फ्लोर पर उसके चाचा थे और जो फर्स्ट फ्लोर जो है उस पर राधिका और उसके फादर और उसकी जो कहेंगे कि उसकी मदर थी। लेकिन मदर ने बोला है कि उनकी तबीयत खराब थी, इस वजह से वो कोई इस मामले में स्टेटमेंट नहीं दे रही हैं। लेकिन मदर का कोई स्टेटमेंट नहीं आया है, लेकिन फादर ने ज़रूर ये बात बोली है कि ओके ठीक है।
right, Shalini, thank you so much for getting us all the details. Now, I also have Nisha Khanna, who is a clinical counseling psychologist, with me. Now, Nisha, I want to understand, we're getting to know that father who is in custody right now has confessed, but the larger issue here was about the fact that he was living off his daughter's income and he was constantly teased by, people around him on the same fact. I want to understand, what is the psyche of a person who goes on to such extent, killing his own child?
I would say definitely the mental health issues, we can't deny about that. And that's why I think so in everyday channels, when you are listening about the news of murder, whether I would say the homicide cases where now in this particular case, the father killed the daughter, even the wife killed the husband or husband killed the wife. In all these cases, or with where somewhere the child killed the mother. In all these cases, if you see that most of the time the mental health issues are being highlighted where there was not treatment has not been or never these issues has been addressed. Maybe this person have delusions and hallucinations also. And the way you people said it, that the father was facing sarcasm, which is called of abuse, even by the society, people and whatever it is. There must be the low self-esteem issues with the father, unable to do emotionally regulate the emotions. Because that's the part of self-management. Whenever you have hear it out from the surroundings, what people say is the negative remarks or the negative comments, and how we are able to manage our emotions. So definitely because of lack of emotional regulation, now there is also because the murder person does when there is a lack of empathy towards the person who is maybe the right now, if she must be the earning, she become the bread earner of the family. How much sort of responsibilities, and there are certain times the personality traits also clash. It may be the person may be having what we can say that is psychotic symptoms, or along with that, we can say it may be the schizophrenia traits would be there. It have maybe having antisocial traits. I do not know whether the father was in the habit of drinking or not, because sometimes after drinks, this anger also become exaggerated. The level of aggression is becoming exaggerated. Definitely, he did it out of this rage, but you can't ignore that the emotional regulation part, where we say is the emotions are not able to manage properly, and because of that, in the rage, he took this step. And when you were saying that people will keep bullying him, doing sarcasm with him, how he was managing, who was the support system, with whom he was talking about these emotions, how he was channelizing his energy, whether he was not working at all, so what he was doing, whether he was facilitating for the daughter something, or he was keep pressurizing the daughter to close the academy, as in the news it is coming. So the pressure over the daughter, and still she was living the normal life. It may be also a lot of pressure on this girl also, maybe having never have an idea that my father can go to that extent. Because in the cases like mental illness, where someone person can do this thing and extent, there is a very thin line. When person goes across those lines, it's that you people can't get to know about that. But definitely the aggression part, through their behavior, the unliking part, unpleasant part, maybe the counseling was required, maybe the medication was required, which was never been addressed. And how this child was even dealing with the youngster was dealing with the father, how the family dynamics was, what was the role of the mother was there when the father was pressurizing, and how whether the father has some support system with whom he was able to vent out those feelings. Because I feel that maybe some substance abuse can be also the behind this incident, because the mental health issues get 10 times or 500 times more, or even anger also get 500 times more when such issues are there. So I would say that proper investigation can be even be highlighted, as you said, that the father accepted that he killed, and the revolver and his fingerprints are there. All those things are there. But definitely, you can't deny the role of that. The father is suffering from some psychopathology things. That's why he took this step in the ring. Because killing someone like brutally by the revolver, the normal person can't do. The person who has lack of emotional control. And in our surroundings, when we deal with the counseling cases, we found lots of people have lack of emotional control. And we need to address these issues eh, as soon as possible, in spite of getting into delay, and people will say that we do not have control and God get into the simple reactions.
All right. Now, I understand, the mental health aspect of this case, that But what led to his mental state being in that way were the taunts that he was receiving continuously. And those taunts were based on the fact that he was living off his daughter's income. Now, I want to understand, where did we go wrong as a society that we cannot simply accept that a father is living off a daughter's income?
I think so. You can say that the society is actually, the thing is that we think that the parents can somewhere the feed the kids, and as you said, this youngster actually made an academy and was running the academy, and maybe because she was a girl, so that it was maybe the taunt that as a male you are not able to do something. So it's a question on her masculinity. So you always see that when the abuse comes, it's in the side of that power and control the person wants. And in the cases of violence, the person may sometimes maybe threat also, shows the threat also, shows hatred also towards the person, because you are doing things not as per my liking. And when you said that the person was keep receiving such things, now not as a society, we have the, I would say there are the low self-esteem issues with the father also, who was not able to manage that thing, is right of being capable, being proud of that feeling that the daughter is doing so good and well in career, and not only on to his name, even the country's name she's making feel proud. And in spite of thinking on those lines, because negativity comes in cycles, and one negative thought is equivalent to 17 positive thoughts. So when you say that as a society where we are getting wrong, maybe the father's born and brought up also plays a role. How the surrounding people were saying that you are right and the daughter is wrong, or what the society is saying is right. As you said, it was the fact he was dependent on the daughter's money. But you have to understand that when, as a person, with the passage of time, we need to be okay with the leadership roles. That sometimes a leadership role has to be role reversal. Maybe in this particular case, in spite of the father being a breadwinner of the family, the daughter became the breadwinner of the family. And definitely, when you became the breadwinner of the family, most of the decisions came into your hand, and you stop considering certain times to the elders also, what to do, what not to do, because you know that you have outgrown them. And sometimes the personality clashes of the father or like the parent with the child, that also plays an important role. Again, how's the father's born and brought up was there, whether in his times that maybe the not only this particular society, maybe in his family, in his surroundings, in his born and brought up, people questioned him, how good he as a person is he's able to earn enough money, whether the role of mother is that what my mother was saying it, whether you are a good father or not, and or you are dependent also. So it's not one say one single factor. It may be the icing of cake that the people were taunting, but there may be the glass was already filled. So this icing on a cake is like spilling out of the water. When people were keep taunting, the suppressed aggression, it may be the anger issues were there, all those things come it out. Sometimes people have passive aggressive symptoms and we are not able to find it out. So in those cases, and we do not know that how the father was always behaving with the daughter, whether there was the ill treatment the father faced in the childhood, along with that how he was treating the child, this young child, because this 25 years old child, it's such a, I'm finding it it's such a thing for that, feel sorry for the child who just started the career and maybe outgrown his father in the profession. I believe that I think so the mother can open certain things, that what is the family dynamics, because sometimes the triangulation is there, the mother and the daughter can be against the father, and also the mother can be also, I do not know, because most of the time the triangulation happens in certain families when, because here you will say the gender role is also reversal.